Welcome to the Instone Visualizer, the all-in-one design tool that allows you to quickly visualize your next project incorporating our unique lines of stone veneer and hardscape products. To get started, create an account by filling out all the required fields. This will not only allow you to save your designs, but also to download and share them later. Click on Start New Design to start exploring our gallery of interactive sample images. This option is great if you do not have a picture of your own project readily accessible. Once you've selected a sample photo, simply click any surface in that image. This will open the product panel on the left sidebar where you will first choose the type of product you wish to incorporate, then the specific brand, the profile, and finally the color. When viewing paving products, you will also be given the option to choose your pattern style and grout color. Once you've made your selections, your choices will appear in the sample image to the right. If you wish to change any of your selections, click on the specific product thumbnail in the left sidebar, then make your new selections. Those changes will be reflected in the sample image on the right. After you're done designing, it's important to save your project. To do so, click on the Save button on the main toolbar. This will open a pop-up where you can name your specific project and save it to your account. Note: you will not be able to save projects without first creating an account. Use the Before/After button to quickly toggle between the before and after image. Once your project has been created and saved, you can take individual snapshots of different versions of your design to compare options. These designs can also be carried into a design report later. For a more personalized design experience, click Upload Your Photo. For best results, follow the guidelines listed. Upload a photo that is a minimum of 1600 pixels wide in landscape format with a maximum file size of 16 megabytes. Only JPEG and PNG formats are accepted. Most smartphone pictures will be sufficient as long as they are straight-on shots that are not blurry or grainy. Once your image is uploaded, our software will automatically prepare the image for you to design in just a few seconds. After the image is prepared, you may proceed just as you did with our sample gallery images. If our software is unable to identify the specific surface borders in your unique image, you can clean up your design by clicking the Edit button. After clicking the surface in question, you will see several dots or handles around the area that you can click and drag to adjust the area where products will be shown. If you need a closer view, you can zoom in with the buttons on the bottom right. And if you need to pan the image, toggle the Pan button and click and drag the image. Once you are happy with the surface area, click Save and Continue. Then click on the newly adjusted surface to apply a product. There are also advanced editing options available for your uploaded images. Using the image we just adjusted, click on the Edit button to go back into edit mode and select the surface you just adjusted. In the left sidebar, you will find several options. The Add to Surface button allows you to add additional surface area to the image. For example, if there is a part of your wall or patio surface that did not get picked up by our software, you can add that additional space to the surface. The Remove from Surface button allows you to remove an area from a surface space. For example, if the patio surface has a lot of jagged lines, you can use the Remove from Surface tool to draw a new mask to define an area you'd like to remove. You can use the Remove from Surface tool to create a cleaner line. The Set Layer Perspective button allows you to adjust the perspective of the surface. For example, if you are applying one of our products to an image of your backyard patio, you can adjust the guides to make the perspective look correct. If you are designing and the products don't quite look right, for example, too large or too small, you can go into Edit mode and click the Change Project Scale button to adjust the overall scale of the project. You will need to draw a line between a known distance in your image. Once you have drawn that line, the software calibrates the scale of everything in that image, and the product's size should look accurate. The opacity slider lets you tell the software how much of the underlying image you want to show through after you apply a product. This will allow you to make the shadows look more natural in the image. The brightness slider increases or decreases the brightness of the product when it is applied to the image. This will allow you to better match the product to the lighting conditions in the original image. If there are multiple wall surfaces you'd like to combine, Use the Group tool. In Edit mode, simply click the Group tab, select all the surfaces to be grouped, and click Save and Continue. Return to the Design mode and you can see that applying a product to any of these grouped surfaces will now apply the product to all the surfaces contained in that group. Once you've completed your designs and your project is saved, there are several ways to share your designs. You can switch to the Report tab to generate a full design report which includes all of your design options and the products you selected. You can print a paper copy or save it to a PDF that you can share over email. You can download the current image by clicking the Download button. By clicking the Share button, you can share the project via social media or email. And finally, you can copy the unique project URL and share it with someone via email.